Everyone is scared of Bitcoin going down. But what if I told you that's the only times regular people can actually get rich? Let's talk. Because what I'm about to explain is really important. And honestly, most people never hear it say it this way. I want to tell you the real truth about how people build wealth with Bitcoin and why so many others get stuck, confused, or end up with less than they started with. A lot of people think the secrets to becoming rich is guessing the perfect times to buy and the perfect times to sell. They think if I sell right at the top, I'm a genius. And if I buy right at the bottom, I'm even smarter. But let me tell you something that nobody likes to admit. Almost nobody hits the perfect tops or bottom. And even someone does. They rarely keeps the money long enough to use it the right way. Most of the time, the money gets spent on something else, or they tries to buy back in too early or too late, or they get scared, or they get tempted, or life happens and the cash got used for something completely different. The perfect timing plans almost never play out the way people imagine it. The truth is much easier. Real wealth does not come from guessing. It doesn't come from luck. And it definitely doesn't come from trying to be the heroes who calls the top. Wealth comes from sticking with what you believe in. Even when things get tough, especially when things get tough, wealth comes from buying a little at a time, over and over again, no matter what the chart is doing. Let me explain in a simple way. Every time you buy a tiny bit of Bitcoin, even $5, it becomes a soldier working for your future. One soldier alone might not look tough, but if you keep buying over time, you build an entire army. And that army never gets tired, never quits. It's never complains. It just sits there years after year, getting more value because Bitcoin keeps getting rarer. And here's the crazy part. You don't build the strongest part of your wealth when Bitcoin is up. You build it when Bitcoin is going down. When Bitcoin is going up, your money buys you less. When Bitcoin is going down, your money buys you more. It's that simple. But most people panic during the dips. They get scared. They think something is broken. They think they should wait until things look safe again. But by the time things look safe, the price is already higher. The opportunity disappears. This is why I want you to imagine something every time the price dips. Imagine someone who wants real wealth, not pretend wealth, not YouTube comment section wealth, actually generational wealth. That person doesn't get emotional. They don't panic. They don't try to times everything. They just keep buying. Soldier for the army. And every time the price dips, that person smiles because their money just got stronger. You don't have to be perfect to win. You don't have to be perfect to win. You just have to be consistent. Now, let me slow things down and share something personal with you. When you stop worrying about selling the exact top, your whole life become calmer. You stop refreshing the chart every 5 minutes. You stop thinking the world is ending every time Bitcoin drops 8% in a day. You stop believing you're doing something wrong. Instead, you start understanding the truth. Bitcoin dips are not a problem. They are the opportunity. They are the moment where your future world is built. And let me give you an example. Think about a huge, tall tree. When you look at that tree, you see the branches and the leaves and the sunlight hitting the top. It grew because of what happened in the dark underground. The roots growing deeper during storms. Bitcoin wealth works the same way. The biggest part of your future doesn't happen during the happy green days. It happened during the red days that most people run away from. And here's some things I really want you to understand. You don't have to buy a lot. You don't have to buy all at the same time. You don't have to be rich. You just have to keep going. $10 a week, $20 a month, whatever you can do. Because every time you buy, even a tiny amount, that little piece of Bitcoins becomes another root in your tree, another soldier in your army, another step toward your future. And let me be real, your future self will thank you. Your family will thank you. Even kids you don't have yet will one day feel the difference because you decided to stay steady while other people is panicked. Now, here's the deep part. The truth most people never hear. You don't get rich selling the top. You get rich building from the dips. That's the real game. That's the part everybody misses. People get scared. People get scared of red candle. But red candles are like discounts. They are like the store putting your favorite shoes on sales, and instead of buying them, people run away screaming. That's how the world works. Fears make people do the opposite of what they should do. But not you, not anymore, because now you know the truth. Every dip you survive and buy through is another step toward the life you want. Every pullback is a chance to grow your future. Every scarce moment is a chance to do what most people won't do. And that's exactly why most people don't end up wealthy. You want to be wealthy? You want freedom? You want your kids or grandkids to know you make smart decisions early? Then you do the simple thing. Buy a little at a time. Stay calm. Don't panic. Don't try to be perfect and never stop building your army. If you're still here with me, and I know some of you never click away, that's tell me something about you. It tells me you're not average. You're paying attention early. You are trying to understand something deeper than numbers go up. You're building a mindset that lasts longer than any chart's pattern. You're building discipline. You're building patience. You're building wealth, real wealth, the kind you can pass down. And the funny thing is, you don't even need to time anything. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need the perfect moment. You just need to keep going no matter what, to buy through the dips, to smile when out of panic, to let time do its job, because the truth is simple. You don't lose with Bitcoins by being unlucky. You lost by misunderstanding the game, and now you understand it. So you already had the future belongs to those who pay attention early. You're one of them, and don't forget to hold tight and stack it right, my friend. By stack it right means you have to move your Satoshis to your own secure wallet. And I got your back. In the description below, you'll see Tangem wallet and a link showing you how to set it up. All right, my friend. Take care.